Show that I am right, Lord. I stay true to myself, and I have trusted you without doubting. Test my thoughts and find out what I am like. I never forget your kindness, and I am always faithful to you. I don't spend my time with worthless liars or go with evil crowds. I wash my hands, Lord, to show my innocence, and I worship at your altar, while gratefully singing about your wonders. I love the temple where you live and where your glory shines. Don't sweep me away as you do sinners. Don't punish me with death as you do those people who are brutal or full of meanness or who bribe others. I stay true to myself. Be kind and rescue me. Now I stand on solid ground. And when your people meet